Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the car and powering the dashboard. Park, set the brake, then turn key to accessory or press start so displays awaken. Once alive, scan gauges, fuel, temp, battery so you know baseline values. Make quick adjustments, brightness, units, mph versus km/h, and screen orientation if available because a readable dash prevents distraction. While you adjust, keep engine off for menu changes when instructed. This avoids inaccurate sensor readings and conserves battery. Now configure the dashboard systems. Open settings and select driver profile to save steering, mirror, and display preferences. Pair your phone via Bluetooth or USB. Allow contacts and nav permissions so directions appear on the dash. Adjust safety assists like lane keep and adaptive cruise to your comfort. The dash will show their status. Also set climate and seat memory, and choose a cluster layout that prioritizes speedometer, navigation, or energy use, because a tailored layout reduces cognitive load while driving. Finish by using the dashboard actively. Respond to prompts for low fuel, tire pressure, or maintenance. Acknowledging them clears reminders and logs. Once done, learn soft reset steps for your model, holding power or pressing a reset button, because frozen screens usually recover without service. If warnings persist, write down error codes shown on the cluster and restart the vehicle. If the issue remains, contact your dealer or mechanic with the codes ready. This saves diagnostic time and gets you back on the road sooner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.